Hello and welcome back to my English classes. Now today we are going to see class 7th poem Dear Mom, written by Brent Patton. Now first I will read the lines and then I will keep on explaining the poem. Now here the writer is talking to mother, and he has broken a cup. So जैसे when we used to do any mistake at home, we apologize with our parents, right? In the same way here, the writer is also apologizing or telling about the blue cup which was broken. So first we will read the lines and then I will keep on explaining. Dear Mom, while you were out, means while you were not at home, a cup went and broke itself. कभी कभी होता ना, हम कुछ भी ना करें तब भी रखे रखे बर्तन टूट जाता है गर्म से, या वो ऑलरेडी चिटका हुआ होता है और कुछ होता है तो वो टूट जाता है. तो इन द सेम वे ही सेड दैट मदर, व्हेन यू वर आउट, व्हाट हैपेंड, द कप अपने आप इट ब्रोक ऑफ. अ क्रैक अपीयर्ड इन द ब्लू वेज. अ क्रैक मीन्स एक लाइन आ गई है टूटने की, चिटकने की. देयर वाज अ लाइन अपीयर्ड इन द ब्लू वेज. वेज क्या होता है? गुलदस्ता, ठीक है, in where you put the flowers. Your great great granddad brought back from Mr. Ming in China. Now he is saying that the vase has a crack which you have brought from China, from Mr. Ming. That vase is broken. Okay, there is a crack in that book. Somehow, without me even turning on the tap. Without me turning on the tap means बिना किसी के कुछ किए, automatically the vase has broken. The sink mysteriously overflowed. Means the sink, when mother is out, nobody is there to take care of. तो सिंक इज ओवरफ्लोड विथ वाटर, ब्लॉक हो गया है या उसके अंदर वो टुकड़े गिर गए हैं. दैट इज वाई द वाटर इज नॉट फ्लोइंग डाउन एंड द सिंक इज फुल ऑफ वाटर. अ स्ट्रेंज जैम स्टेन. स्टेन मीन्स डर्टी पैच. मीन्स व्हेन वी पुल्ड आउट द वाटर देयर वाज अ मार्क ऑन द सिंक. जैसे आप गंदा पानी कहीं किसी चीज़ में भर के रख दो एक थोड़ी देर के लिए, उसके बाद पानी फेंक दो तो एक निशान बन जाता है. तो दैट मार्क हैज़ बीन देयर इन द सिंक. अबाउट द साइज ऑफ अ बॉयज हैंड. मीन्स अबाउट द साइज ऑफ अबाउट अ हैंड, इतना मोटा उसमें मार्क हो गया है. दैट मीन्स द वाटर हैज़ फिल्ड दिस मच इन द सिंक. Appeared on the kitchen wall. Now here he says the mark of a boy's hand. You see in the picture also, a mark of a boy's hand is seen on the kitchen wall. जैसे कोई आया है पीछे से चुपके से, ठीक है. I don't think we'll ever discover. Means he is saying this, that we are not able to discover what? That who came inside and put that mark on the wall or has broken the vase. ठीक है, because he is saying that I have not touched the vase, I have not opened the water on the sink, and I didn't went into the kitchen for the mark on the wall. So he is saying that we are not able to find who has done all this. Exactly how the cat managed to turn on the washing machine. Now he is saying that maybe there is a cat who came inside, but how can he turn on the washing machine? Washing machine को वो कैसे on कर सकता है? A cat cannot start the washing machine. ठीक है, especially from the inside. Means from inside, अंदर से. How can the cat can start the machine? Or how sis pet rabbit went and mistook. That means there is a cat and a rabbit also. But he is again saying that how can my sister's pet rabbit can do all these things. The waste disposal unit for a burrow. ठीक है. Now you see that अ वेस्ट यूनिट मतलब बरो जो रैबिट का होल होता है, दैट इज अ बरो। ठीक है, तो ही इज सेइंग दैट कौन उस बरो में वेस्ट मटेरियल को डाल सकता है। आई कैन टेल यू आई वॉज स्कैर्ड व्हेन एज इफ बाय मैजिक। ही इज सेइंग दैट आई एम स्कैर्ड ऑफ सीइंग दीज स्ट्रेंज थिंग्स दैट हैज टेकन प्लेस इन द किचन। आई एम स्कैर्ड। अब अचानक से आप भी अपने घर में कोई निशान देख लोगे तो डरोगे कि नहीं डरोगे, है ना। तो इन द सेम वे हियर द राइटर इज टॉकिंग टू हिज मदर एंड ही इज सेइंग दैट आई एम स्कैर्ड ऑफ दीज थिंग्स व्हाट हैज हैपेंड इन द हाउस, बिकॉज द कैट कैन नॉट स्टार्ट द मशीन, द रैबिट कैन नॉट गो इनसाइड एंड डू द वर्क। अ सीरीज ऑफ मडी फुटप्रिंट्स, सीरीज मीन्स स्टेप बाय स्टेप, एक के बाद एक, ठीक है। देयर इज अ फुटप्रिंट्स ऑन द मैट appeared on the new white carpet. That means the mark of the shoes are there on the white carpet. I was being good means I am good. I have not done any mistakes. I have not done any mischief. I am a good boy as you are not at home. I am not doing any mischief in the house. So I am scared that who has done it. I am honest. But I think the house is haunted. So haunted means डरावना, जैसे कहीं पे भूत प्रेत होते हो, है ना। Haunted means believed to be visited by ghost. That means any ghost is there. तभी उसको haunted बोला जाता है। जैसे आप लोग haunted serials देखते होगे, right? देखना नहीं चाहिए। But he is saying that there is some ghost in the house that has done all these things. Knowing you are going to have a fit, I have gone over to Grains for a bit. Now here he is saying that knowing you are going to have a fit means आपको चक्कर आने का, फिट्स आते हैं ना, आपको चक्कर आ जाएंगे अगर आपको ऐसा लगे, आप ये सब देखोगे आप भी शॉक हो जाओगे। I have gone over the Grains for a bit. Grains यहाँ पे जगह है, किसी की प्लेस है, तो he is saying that I have gone for some minutes, I have gone to that place. Now we will see about the author. Brain Patten, born in 1946, is an English poet and children's author. Means he used to write the poems related to children. He made his name in the 1960s as one of the Liverpool poets alongside Adrian Henry and Roger McGough. ठीक है, with the help of Adrian Henry and Major McGough. Okay, here he put his name, मतलब वो कब उसकी poems ज़्यादा डेवलप हुई थी या ज़्यादा हाईलाइट हुआ था, in 1960s. Brain Patten's individual strength within this trio lay in his ability to write and perform a powerful mix of serious and harmonious work, humorous work. Humorous means lot of work. ठीक है, with the help of these two writers, Roger McGough and Adrian Henry, the three involved in it, and they did a great work. His poems have since been translated into many European languages. Means he has written in his own language, but his poems are translated into many languages, and that is why he is well known in the world. I hope you have understood the poem. Thank you.